How to grow your email marketing list. This video is very important because we're gonna talk about something which is very important right now. We are going to see how can we grow our email marketing list, right? So what we need to understand is that we need to provide the right kind of a value to so many people so that we can increase the engagement in the email marketing list, right? So there is a one thing to have a lot of members in the email marketing list, and the second thing is to engage all the members, right? Try to write some kind of a email where people can able to open the email and they can able to click on the link on the email, right? So that is very important, right? So the question is not that how can you increase yourself in the email marketing, how can you grow your email marketing list, but the question should be that how can you make so many people engage in the email marketing list, right? So whenever you running a Facebook ad and you having so many people on your email marketing list, by providing the checklist to them, by providing an email ebook to them, by providing the quality video to these people, so in that time they sign up for your email. But more than 70% of the people, they forget that why they sign up to you. So what I need to do in that time is that you need to provide a lot of value to them by providing a lot of email to them, right? By genuinely taking care of them, by genuinely solving a problem, by thinking about them, what are the problems they have, by writing the email which actually can solve their problem. And once you do that, but of course with the good subject line, otherwise if you write the good email also, if you don't know how to write the subject line, they are not going to open that particular email itself, right? So what you need to do is that you need to write the good subject line, then you have to write the good email, and then you need to provide the real value so that whenever they open your email, after that every single time they will open your email. That should be the brand voice of yours, right? If you have that kind of a brand voice, then only you can do something with the email marketing. So that's why when more and more people will open your email, more and more people will click on the email, then email algorithm will know about it and they will promote your emails, right? And then you will able to make so many people engage in your email. So whenever you having a ad going on and people are signing up for that particular email, so you don't have to remove so many people. So let's take an example. If you have the 1000 email list members, and if you and if you are removing 500 people from the email list, so that is not a good thing, right? So what you need to do when you have 1000 people and you just removing 100 or 150 people, then so many people are engaged with you. So that should be the motto of yours, right? And we are going to learn in the future also. I'm going to create so many videos about it, right? So how can we improve our email list? How can we grow our email list? By providing the value to the people. That's it. You have to promote your product and services, but at the same point of time you have to think about your email list, because now you own all the customers, right? So your job is to provide the value to them, because whenever you are in the social media, they own all the followers of yours. So now you own all the customers. So what you need to do, you need to solve the problem. Be something they feel very proud about yourself, right? They feel proud that they sign up in your email marketing list. That's the kind of a job you have to do. Once you do that, they will feel very good about you, and when they feel very good about you, now they want to open your email. And now whenever they want to open your email algorithm will know about it. Whenever you sign up more people, they will promote your email. But same thing which you need to repeat, not all the time you have to sell, you have to provide the value, you have to solve the problem. Once you do that, people will like you, people will try to engage with you. So that's how you can grow your email marketing list. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can definitely comment down below, and if you want to connect with me, you can connect me on the Instagram. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you.